I am going to tell you some tricks to find square roots of perfect squares and also cube roots of perfect squares. Here, observe this carefully. Here we are getting 1 as last digit in the case of 1, and in the same way 9, right? 9 square 81, 1 square 1. And here also we can observe 11 square 1 and 19 square, that means 11 square 121. Here the last digit is 1, and 19 square 361. Here the last digit is 1, and this will be repeated periodically. Okay. So here if we observe, we are not getting 2 as last digit in the squares of any numbers. Okay. And in the same way 3. We are not getting 3 as last digit in the case of any squares. And if you observe 4, we are getting 4 as last digit in 2 cases. 2, and in the same way 8. 2 as last digit in 4 as last digit in 2, and in the same way 8. And if you observe carefully, 5 as last digit in only one case. That means only in 5. That means 5 square is equals to 25. Here the last digit is 5. So 5 only getting in 5. And 6 as last digit in 4. 4 square 16, the last digit is 6. And in the same way 6 and also 6. We are getting 6 at 4, and in the same way 6. And we are not getting 7 as last digit in the squares of any numbers. And in the same way we are not getting 8 as the last digit in the squares of any numbers. If you observe carefully, we are getting 9 as last digit at 3, and in the same way 7. 9 as last digit in 3, and in the same way 7. Keep these things in your mind, okay? This table is very important to find square roots of perfect squares. If you observe here carefully, here to get 1 and 4, 6 and 9 as last digits, we have 2 possibilities, right? If you observe carefully, the sum of these two numbers is 10. Here 10, 10, 4 plus 6, 10, and 3 plus 7, 10. That means if we know one of these numbers, if you know 6 as last digit at 4, we can automatically tell the another number, that is 6. Okay, let's see some examples. Here we have 3 steps. Observe carefully. First step, find where will we get the last digit. Okay, here the last digit is 6. Where will we get 6 as last digit? Means in the case of 4, and in the same way 6. Write them as like this. And now strike off 2 numbers. We are talking about the square roots, right? So strike off 2 numbers. And now we have 31. Second step is to find the square root less than or equal to 31. Okay, find the square root less than or equal to 31. That means it should be perfect square. And less than 31 means here we have 5 square. 5 square is equals to 25. And this is the perfect square closer or less than 31. So write this like this. And here you may have a doubt. Which one will be our answer? So use third step. Third step is just multiply 5 with the next number. That means 6. 5 6 are 30. So here, if you observe carefully, 31 is our number. 31 is larger than 30. Right? 31 is larger than 30. So our answer also will be the largest one than the other. So 56 is the answer. And now here we have 4. Where we get 4 as last digit means in 2 cases, 2 and 8. And here strike off 2 numbers. Find the second step. Find the perfect square less than or equal to 51. That means 7 square 49, right? So 7. And now 7 into 8. The next number is 8. So 7 into 8. 56. Our number is smaller than 56. Right? Our number 51 is smaller than 56. our answer also will be the smallest one than the other. So 722 is the answer. And here if you observe 5, where do we get 5 as last digit? Only in one case, that means 5. Write 5 here and strike off two numbers, find the perfect square which is closer to 72, that means 8 square. 8 square 64, right? 8. And here we don't have any another option or another possibility, so 85 will be the answer. And now here, where do you get 9 as last digit? Means in two instances, 3 and 7. Strike off two numbers, find the perfect square closer to 94. It is 9 square, that means 81. So 9 square, so 9 into 10, that means 90. So our number is 94. 94 is larger than 90. So the answer will be the largest one compared to the another one. So 97 is the answer. Last digit means two possibilities we have, 2, 8. And now strike off two numbers, find the perfect square closer to 104. That means 10 square, right? 10 square. 10. And now multiply this 10 with 11. That means 110. So our number 104 is smaller than 110. So our answer will be the smallest one compared to the another one. And here 5, we have only one instance, 5. Strike off two numbers, 156. That means 12 square, 144. 12. So the answer will be 125. And here, where do you get 1 as last digit? 1. And in the same way 9. Strike off two numbers, 396. The perfect square closer to 396 is 19. And 19 into 20. 19 is the 38, 380. So our number 396 is larger than 380. So the answer also will be 199. Let's know the trick to find the cube roots of perfect cubes. If you observe carefully, here we are getting 1 as last digit in only one case, 1. 1 as last digit in 1 and 2 as last digit in 8. 2 as last digit in 8 and 3 as last digit in 7. And in the same way 4 as last digit in 4. 5 as last digit in 5. 6 as last digit in 6. And if you observe carefully, we are getting 2 as last digit in 8. And in the same way, 8 as last digit in 2. Right? 2 as last digit in 8 and 8 as last digit in 2. And in the same way, we are getting 3 as last digit at 7 and 7 as last digit at 3. Okay? For finding cube roots of perfect cubes, we are going to have only 2 steps. Why? Because in the square roots, we have 2 possibilities for getting the last digit. But if you observe carefully, here we are going to have only one possibility for the last digit. So let's solve our problems. Here observe carefully. Where do you get 5 as last digit? Only in one case, 5. Write 5 here and strike off 3 digits. Because now we are dealing with the cube roots. So that's why strike 3 digits. And now 3. That is the step 1. And step 2, find the perfect cube less than 3. Not less than or equal to 3. Just less than 3. So less than 3 means 1. So write 1. 15 cube is equals to 3375. And now 8. Where do you get 8 as last digit? In the case of 2. And now strike off 3 digits. And 32. The perfect cube less than 32 is 3 cube. 27, right? So write 3 here. So 32 cube will be 32768. And now 3. Where do you get 3 as last digit? 3 means 7. And now strike off 3 numbers and find the perfect cube less than 19. That means 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 2. 27 cube equals to 19,623. And now 6. Where do you get 4? Where do you get 4 as last digit? in the case of 4. And now strike off 3 digits and find the perfect perfect keep less than 85. Less than 85 means it is 8 keep. Sorry, 4 keep. 4 keep, it will be 64. It is less than 85. So write 4. So 44 keep will be 85,184. A simple question for you guys. See this and solve this question by using the trick. And now give your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my explanation, please click on the like button because it motivates me to do some more videos. And if you like the content in this video, please subscribe our channel and share our video.